Okay, so our meat has been cooking for a good hour and a half now. And by the looks of it, it is completely done. The milk has gone golden brown and it has completely evaporated. So off with the heat. And now it's time to get on with dessert. For that, I have some pound cake that I've just, diced up and crumbled almost like that. And this is about half a pound cake. So into this, I'm going to put in 4 large tablespoons of paneer. Like so. And a little extra cheesy twist to it. I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. Any cream cheese will do. Just make sure they're heaped. And what this will do is that it will act almost like ricotta. So you're going to get, this Italian feel to this very Kashmiri dessert. Now, mix it up. Right, now, what I've got here is some gur or jaggery. Now, this is slightly moist, so what I'm going to do is crumble in about 3 tablespoons worth of jaggery. It doesn't matter if the bits they stay lumpy, because what'll happen is that you'll get these intense blasts of sugar as you go through this dessert. And this is a must. Now, I prefer using this to white sugar or brown sugar because you'll get a real Eastern flavor to it. So about 3 tablespoons of jaggery, just crumbled in with your hand, like so. Keeping in, tune with the season, and what also goes with a lot of desserts in Kashmir, some fresh cherries, glorious, lovely cherries that I've just de-seeded. I'm going to take a couple of handfuls of them and pop them right in. And of course, this truly works really well with pound cake as well, so you're going to get this lovely cherry fruity flavor to it. A little paneer kheer with a twist, a cherry twist nonetheless. Now, I'm just going to use my hands. So in go my hands, mush it up like so. Make sure you break all the cherries down and move, squish everything together. There we go, mixed up. Now, I'm going to use my hands, wipe them slightly, and try to fashion little square pieces. Put them straight into a pan. Right. Okay, so we're going to give that a go yet. Here we go. Now I'm just going to take some oil, some regular oil. Just going to drizzle it on. And I'm going to turn my pan onto a high flame, like so. Not too much oil. Get my oil moving. Right, so my oil is spitting now. I'm going to be very careful. Slide my spatula underneath my cake and flip it. There, look at that. That's just stunning. Fabulous. Oh, and one broke, but hey, doesn't matter. That's it. Now you just take 2 more minutes. Just let the bottom brown again and just turn the heat off. That's it. We are done with dessert, and now it's time to plate up. Right, and we are ready to eat, and I'm joined by my friend Umran, who is the guitar maestro of Pakistan. And he is
And hungry.
And hungry, yes. And he's going to sample this insane menu I've put together.
Sounds good. Well, I want to see the magic. I guess I'll see it when it
Just start it.
airs.
Okay, first grab your appetizer first, which
is
I'm sort of demonic that way. Have the appetizer first.
of course, the appetizer has to happen.
Okay, now this.
What are these? Dane
Mustard seed.
Mustard seed. Lovely. And it's a yogurt-based sauce.
Yep.
It's a Kashmiri version of a baked potato.
Yes, it is indeed.
If we are to be accurate.
Or a fusion version of a Kashmiri potato.
Yes. We could go all night with this. This could never...
Tra-la-la. So come on, let's move on. I want you to eat the main course.
Main course.
It's something known as aab gosht.
Aap gosht.
Aab gosht. Gosht, obviously gosht. And that's meat cooked in milk.
Okay, aap gosht.
Aab gosht. Hopefully you like it.
What kind of bread is this with the...
This is just regular baguette, just a little balsamic and olive oil on top to help along with it.
Nice.
Simply because I don't want to give you naan. And that's just
What's wrong with naan? Naan's great.
Yeah, but you're not having aab gosht and, you know, whatever.
I'm a Kashmiri man. I unhealthy food is the way I like to eat.
Eat. How be that?
Very nice. Really good.
Different.
Very different, and I'm trying to place all the flavors. Definitely the milk-based stuff is adding that richness to it. Not too spicy. Very
Quite
tender.
Yeah.
Really, really, really good.
Oh, thank you. Well, I am quite taken by this myself, and Imran has now given me a stamp of approval on this. And
Stamp of Kashmiri approval.
yeah. Well, I'm really glad you like it because it was quite shocking to think that milk could do that. Imran's going to also take a nap after this, but now he's going to eat dessert.
Dessert, okay.
Allow me to introduce to you what, in essence, originally is something known as paneer kheer.
Paneer kheer.
Yeah.
Wow. It's not very desi.
No.
It tastes very Western.
Well,
Although it's made from...
totally desi
Good
stuff.
and-
I mean,
and all that,
exactly. Well, that's that.
All of it was, I think, probably dessert's my favorite.
Everyone says that.
The dessert is really good.
That's because you had it last. Had you had that first, by the end you would have got to that. You would have said that was your favorite.
No, I would have had this and I would just kept eating this. I would have asked for a second helping.
You can have as many helpings as you want. But Imran, thank you. It's been...
Off camera, I'll ask for more.
Anytime.
Thank you
But
for
thank
having
you
me.
so much. This was brilliant, and you have been amazing. And for Kashmiri who loves to eat, you have done the Kashmiris
done my
proud, the nation proud, you know, woohoo.
Yeah.
And again, thank you for joining me on this table, gracing me with your fabulous presence. And I'm sorry I didn't
anytime.
strum a guitar or something for you.
No worries.
And thank you guys for joining us. Remember, if you want to see me fuse something or you have any comments, write in on fusion@dawnnews.tv. From Imran and myself, till next week, take care. Bye-bye.